So this is my propagating shelves. It's got 10 drawers. So let's start from the top. Hello there, my name is Liz, a self-confessed succulent addict. Welcome to my channel, Growing Succulents. This is the latest, basically, of that one is actually, let's go have a look. The date, hang on. That is on the 21st. Okay, so these ones, this is Graptopetalum paraguayensis. This was plucked on the 21st of November. So it's not even a month and they've already grown, as you can see. So these are fast growing soft succulents. Look at that. So that's well and truly ready to be planted in the ground. But I think that one is already the most advanced of all of them. But these ones are all just leaves, like these ones here when that was taken. And this one is on the 17th of November. This is actually a little bit earlier than that one, and yet look, this is Victorera. Victorera are slow growers, or slow puppers, I would call it puppers, because they're like little pups. Anyway, so it takes a while before the plant would grow, but they do grow eventually. And then this is the water lily. This is just a leaf from the stem. So this is a Victorera that's flowering, and the flower stalk or the stem has got all these leaves, and this is where I've taken the leaf from. So it's just a matter of twisting it and getting the little node. So don't break it. You have to, okay, I'm just gonna have a close look. See, there you go, they just fall off. See, nice perfect node on the tip. And this is what I use to grow these little pups. And it's already taken root, and yet the one that I plucked off from the base of the plant still hasn't rooted. So that one is, I think there's signs. No, I think it's still dry, but it'll still, eventually that will pop out. Violet Queen, I find, is a bit slow. I prefer to take cuttings from a Violet Queen rather than growing them via leaf method. What's on the top? Yep, this one is a Black Prince, and that is on the 21st of November, and that is just starting to have some roots. So the roots are just coming out. And then is there a pup showing somewhere? Yep, there's ones here. Okay, there you go. So that one, the pups, you can see that's just about to pop out. But also see that one there, and that one there as well. But the rest of them are still trying to grow. And this one is, I call them the Vulcan, the Parpasorum Vulcan. Also there's lots of roots showing, but there's still no pups. Now this one are Cool View, and look at that. That is only the 8th of November. So this is now about 5 weeks. So this is 5 weeks growth. And we got some nasty little ants here who's bringing some aphids. Look at that, there's aphids, so I need to spray them. Those ones are just rooting, but no babies, and that one is rooting and with a baby. And let's go further on. More just air propagation, and again those one are a combination of different, maybe Echeveria or Graptoveria or Graptosedum. So I just, any leaf that I get from somewhere, I just drop it there, and with no names, of course. So that one is Chihuahuayensis, and that was on the 24th of November. How about that? It's about to root as well. So let's just go in the dark. See this little baby on the tip of it, and so as the other one. So I managed to get 3. There's only 2 survived. The other one just shriveled up. Now this one is from a sateen that I broke off only a couple of days ago, so I'm just leaving that there to dry up. This is Sovereign Sands, and this was on the 18th of November, so it's always good to put a label, so that way I can keep track of the progress of the growth. And that one is a Hercules. Now this one hasn't grown, and also I call this one Craigiana Rosie, but whether it's actually Craigiana Rosie, I'm not too sure, but it's about to pop out babies as well. And I'm just hoping that the baby, or when this actually grow, it would form that funny shape that it's got right now. And then this one as well, see the funky, my funky little, I don't know, four-sided succulent. So I hope I can get some succulent with four-sided leaf. So just more different succulents, and sedum as well. That one, rubitinctum, I think that's the pink one, and it's just so slow in growing as well. But anyway, this is Echeveria Moonglow. As you can see, there's all popping. And these ones here are Agavoides carpet. And look, all the babies coming out. Look at that. More babies, more babies. But what I do with them, every 3 to 4 days, especially now we're getting about 24 to 30 degrees days. And this past couple of days has just been raining. So what I do, I've got a newspaper in the bottom. So I just get them wet. This is rainwater, so I just spray them lightly like that and pop them back in. And more beets growing in different condition and different type. That's Rose Queen, Echeveria, and my Monroe. Are they growing? Yes, but slow. Let's see. So we just leave that there. And more. Oh, look at that one. That's a sedum lucidum. Sedum lucidum. Look, they're rooting as well. And that one is a Black Prince. See, the leaves doesn't look very healthy, but I haven't got the heart to throw them away. So anyway, you're not meant to keep unhealthy leaves like that, but I do. So anyway, and then they grow, and then they grow to be strong plants. So I keep them. Now, after this one is actually has been here for quite a while. This actually was September, so this is about 10 weeks. This is Black Prince, and this is what I call Echeveria chocolate. And see, there's still a bit of moisture on the soil. But normally when I get it really dry, and again I sprinkle that. So these ones now, they are ready. Hang on, they should really be put on graduate from kindergarten and onto grade school. But anyway, I haven't got time lately yet, and so maybe the next couple of days I'll pot them up. And then also that Graptopetalum Mendozae. There's lots of pups, but I only see a couple of them that's got roots. So anyways, I'll just take that one out. So that one is, you can see the roots. So I think these ones are ready to be put in the soil as well. And so as with the Graptoveria crystal and my Pearl von Nonnberg. Look at them. Pups coming out, no roots yet. Some's got roots with no pups, and some's got a tiny little pup with a couple of roots as well. So they're almost ready to be put into a pot as well. So anyway, so that's how I grow succulents or soft succulents via air propagation. Okay,